Hello, my name is Scott and welcome to today's tutorial, which forms part of my step-by-step Blackboard Collaborate tutorial series. One of the questions I've been receiving of late is about how to access and make use of the reports from Blackboard Collaborate sessions. In today's short video, we'll be exploring how you can access these session reports. To begin, you will see I'm in the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra area for the module where I create my Blackboard Collaborate lecture and seminar sessions. As you will see, at the moment I have no upcoming sessions. Once you have run the session you wish to access the report on, you will need to filter your sessions by all previous sessions up here. Next, we then simply need to find the session we wish to view the report on. For this tutorial, I will be using the Register Test session. Next, we click on the three dots to the side of the session and choose the View Reports option. Once we have selected this, we are greeted with an overview of the report information, such as the start time, the end time, the number of attendees, the duration of the session, and how many polls were run. If we wish to drill down into more detail regarding the attendance, we will need to click the View Report option here. From here, we will now find further information, which can also be exported to a CSV file, or a more printer-friendly version can be downloaded as well. From this report, you'll be able to see the name of the attendees. Note that if you have not created a guest link, this will be the specific details of the individual as registered on the module. You'll be able to see their role, so whether they were a moderator or a participant, or perhaps a presenter, when they first joined the session, when they last left the session, the total time they were in the session, and how many times they had to join the session during it when it was being run. This detailed information can be useful as it can help you identify those attendees that may have had connection issues and thus had to keep rejoining the session, or those that were not staying in for the full session and only attending part of it. And it is as simple as that to access your session reports for Blackboard Collaborate. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I look forward to seeing you all again in the next tutorial.